Be ready. Start. The Department of Personnel and Training, for short DOPT, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pension, Government of India, issued a memorandum dated 9th October 1998 containing the scheme for compassionate appointment with an object to give a source of employment to the dependent family members of the government servant dying in harness or one who has retired on medical grounds. This scheme was declared on 9th October 1998. The scheme stipulated that the compassionate appointment could be made up to a maximum of 5% of the vacancies falling under direct recruitment quota in Group C or D post. According to the appellants, the scheme of compassionate appointment is always treated as an exception to the general rule of recruitment. The father of the respondent was employed with the appellants in a Group D post. Unfortunately, the father of the respondent died on 19th April 2000. On 16th May 2001, the DOPT issued an office memorandum in view of the policy of the Government of India that fresh recruitment should be limited to 1% of the total strength of civilian staff. The basis for the same appeared to be that about 3% of the staff retired every year, and thus the reduction in manpower would reduce to 2% per annum if fresh recruitment is limited to 1% per annum. This would achieve a deduction of 10% in 5 years. It was decided that each ministry and department would formulate an annual direct recruitment plan through the mechanism of screening committee. Para 2.2 of this memorandum provided that while preparing the annual recruitment plan, the concerned screening committee was to ensure that the direct recruitment did not exceed 1% of the total sanctioned strength of the department. Since 3% of the staff retired every year, this would translate only to one third of the direct recruitment vacancies occurring in each year being filled. Thus, the recruitment would be limited to filling one third of the vacancies of direct recruitment arising in the year, subject to a further ceiling that it does not exceed 1% of the total sanctioned strength of the department. In terms of para 2.4 of the memorandum, it was further stated that the vacancies so cleared by the screening committee will be filled up by applying rules for reservation, handicapped, compassionate quota therein. However, the Special Circle Relaxation Committee approved the names of the candidates in the category of compassionate appointment on the basis of 5% of the existing vacancies occurring in the year 2000, 2001 and 2002. In face of the memorandum dated 16th May 2001, on or about 13th March 2002, 69 names were approved. On 4th July 2002, the DOPT issued a clarificatory memorandum that the 5% quota for compassionate appointment was to be calculated on the basis of direct recruitment vacancies finally cleared by the screening committee and not on the basis of the total vacancies occurring in the department. The respondent on 6th August 2002 was communicated the intimation with regard to the approval of his name for appointment to Group D post, which he joined on 22nd August 2002. It is the case of the appellants now that the mistake of appointment in excess of the prescribed quota was detected, and while letter dated 12th March 2003, it was communicated that it was not possible to adjust the candidates who were recommended in excess of the quota because the recommendation for compassionate appointment was to be made on the basis of 5% of the approved vacancies cleared by the screening committee. In furtherance to this, a decision was taken on 17th May 2004 to select only the most indigent persons against the available vacancies within the prescribed ceiling of 5% of the vacancies finally cleared by the screening committee. In furtherance to the decision taken by the competent authority, a meeting of the Special Circle Relaxation Committee was convened and appointment of total 21 candidates on the basis of 5% approved vacancies cleared by the screening committee was approved. The remaining 48 candidates were terminated stroke not permitted to continue stroke dropped on 12th October 2004. On 12th January 2005, the appellants noticed that the candidates whose names had been cleared for compassionate appointment on 13th to 15th March 2002 or in the year 2002 were still temporary servants. 48 names were in excess of the quota. Therefore, a notice of termination under Rule 5 of the Central Civil Services Temporary Services Rules 1965 was issued, and as already noticed, the services of the 48 persons whose names were recommended in excess of the quota were terminated. Thank you.